We are Team Vedvicha. Imagine having a quick answer about your leave policy or how to organize an event. You end up scrolling through endless documents, reaching out to HR or asking colleagues, sometimes getting incomplete or even wrong information. It's frustrating and time consuming. And something that should be simple becomes complicated. And it's not just you. When everyone in the organization is doing the same, things get chaotic. Important details slip through, keeping things accurate becomes harder, and managing the load feels overwhelming. What if there was a solution that could take this burden off your plate and help you manage this task effortlessly? That's why we created ChatSphere, an AI driven chatbot designed to streamline employee interactions and document processing. ChatSphere ensures fast, accurate responses across HR, IT, and other departments, integrates seamlessly into existing workflows, or scales effortlessly to handle multiple users concurrently, all while maintaining robust security. Now, let us have a look over the key issues ChatSphere addresses and how our solution is structured.
Let's discuss issues faced by employees. They often need quick and accurate response to a wide range of queries, including HR policies, IT support, and company information. Manually addressing these queries is time consuming and inefficient. Additionally, quick document processing is crucial since employees frequently upload documents containing important data that needs to be retrieved or summarized. To make the solution scalable, the chatbot must be capable of handling several users at once while maintaining a less response time. Furthermore, security is a key concern, requiring robust measures and inappropriate language filtering. So, to address these issues, we propose a chatbot named ChatSphere that leverages deep learning and natural language processing models to handle diverse employee queries across various departments. It will also include document processing capabilities such as text extraction, summarization, and keyword identification. The chatbot will be able to manage up to 50 concurrent users while maintaining quick response time. Email-based two-factor authentication will be implemented, and a language filtering system will detect and restrict inappropriate language, ensuring a professional environment for all the users.
Let's quickly understand the flow of ChatSphere. First involves user login and security. User logs into chatbot using two-factor authentication powered by Auth and SMTP, ensuring strong session protection to safeguard against unauthorized access. Now you're welcome to the chatbot. Now the user has two types of interaction options: text query and document query. Text query involves text processing model, NLP query understanding. Basically, user inputs the text queries. Now, NLP processing involves use of BERT and GPT-3 models for NLU, that is a natural language understanding, to comprehend user intent. It also involves hate speech filtering based out of TensorFlow to monitor and filter any inappropriate language to ensure a safe and respectful interaction. Finally, the response generation part, where chatbot employs natural language generation to provide responses from the knowledge base in a nickel of time. And finally, we have a feedback loop where the user can let us know if they are satisfied with their answers or not, and based on that we can refine our models in future. And that is also similarly with our document query, where the user can upload their document. The document processing module leverages NLTK and GenSim to extract text, summarize content, and identify keywords to improve document understanding. Then finally, the response generation delivers summaries and retrieves specific details based on the document tailored to the user's needs. And here also, finally, the feedback loop, which helps us to refine our models in future.
Coming to feasibility and viability part, our idea is technically possible because we are using popular and reliable tools like HTML, CSS, JavaScript and React for the front end, Node.js, Express and MongoDB for the backend. These are widely supported and will help us to build a strong and scalable prototype. Hosting Amazon Web Services ensures low-cost scalability. From an operational standpoint, the development process is easy to follow with a modular design that lets us handle tasks efficiently Nginx will manage basic load balancing for up to 50 users concurrently. Financially, the project is very affordable because most of the tools we are using are either free or low cost. This keeps us well within budget, making the project both doable and cost effective. We might face some challenges like handling complex query which may lead to misunderstanding. We will address this by continuously improving our natural language processing model based on user feedback and using clarification prompts to ensure accuracy, scalability. As user demand grows, performance can suffer. To handle this, we will rely on cloud infrastructure like Amazon Web Services with auto scaling and load balancing, ensuring the system runs smoothly even during peak usage. Integrating the system across multiple platforms can pose compatibility issue. We will mitigate this by thoroughly testing integration, using standard APIs and implementing strong error handling mechanism. Data privacy and compliance with regulation are critical. Compliance with GDPR and CCPA maintained through end-to-end encryption. Finally, we will ensure that the user is confident and comfortable with the system by providing them UI, UX and clear training material, effective onboarding process to make adoption process easier. Further, we can add additional features in our project idea like the ChatSphere can offer tailored responses based on user behavior and past interaction, expanding to support multiple languages for the global accessibility, further integration with the existing system to streamline workflows.
This system will have a big impact on our employees by improving efficiency as it quickly answers their queries, saving time by cutting response time by 60% and boosting productivity by around 25%. It also ensures accurate information on HR policies, IT support, and company events with a precision of over 95%, reducing confusion. Plus, with 24/7 availability, employees can get help anytime. The ChatSphere will also bring multiple benefits. Socially, it ensures consistent and dependable support, improving satisfaction score by 10 to 20%. Economically, it cuts cost by reducing the reliance on human resource for routine tasks while boosting productivity by 10 to 15% thanks to faster query resolution. Environmentally, it promotes digital document management, saving around 10,000 sheets of paper annually in a mid-sized company. Furthermore, it also reduces office resource usage, cutting CO2 emissions by 5 metric ton annually, which is equivalent to planting 200 trees.
Now let's compare our product. Let's see where it stands against some of the great existential solutions in the market like IBM Watson Assistant, Microsoft Azure Bot Service, Google Dialogflow, Amazon Lex and Rasa. Mainly if we talk about since NLP capabilities, document processing, integration, ease of use, customization, security and scalability, considering the initial phase of our product, we stand towards on a very moderate level compared to our existential competitors, and a very good point based on our architecture that on the cost point, on the price point, we stand on a lower side compared to our competitors, which is a great plus point in our case. Talking about how much revenue this product has in its potential, talking about the total addressable market, we can fetch up to 7,500 crores of revenue considering 50,000 large public sectors organizations globally. Talking about serviceable available market, it could be around 1,500 crores considering 10,000 organizations with chatbot ready infrastructure. And in the initial phase, we can obtain up to 7.5 CR crores of revenue annually by bringing in 500 early adopters in India, which each can subscribe at 1.5 LPA for our product. Now let's quickly understand the business model canvas for our product, the ChatSphere. As we develop ChatSphere, we can partner with leading cloud service providers like Amazon Web Services to deliver a seamless, scalable chatbot solution. Our key activities will be continuous deployment, integration with existing systems, and powerful document processing, all while ensuring the highest level of data security. Our value proposition, ChatSphere will provide fast, accurate, 24/7 support that scales effortlessly, keeping data secure and interactions professional. We'll offer a user-friendly self-service interface backed by support and training wherever needed. We can reach our customers through company intranets, websites, and emails, targeting large organizations, especially HR and IT departments that can benefit from our services. On the cost side, we will have to focus on the development, cloud infrastructure, and security. Our revenue streams can come from subscription fees, licensing, and custom solutions. At last, I would summarize ChatSphere in a line that ChatSphere could set a new standard in efficiency and security, making employee interactions smoother, smarter, and faster. Thank you.